Hi guys, welcome back to Rav's Retreat, the wood turning section of my YouTube channel. You caught me just before I start sharpening, well actually reprofiling a few of my gouges. What you're looking at is the Robert Sorby Pro Edge system. It's a belt sharpener rather than a wheel sharpener. Takes various belts. There's aluminium oxide, which I don't use a great deal of. Them's mainly for carbon steel tools. I generally use the ceramic or the zirconium belts. The ceramic belts cut extremely fast and they last a very long time. What I generally do is, if I need to reprofile, I'll use the ceramic belts, and then for general sharpening I'll use the zirconium belts. But it's proved to be a really good system now. When I first got it, I kind of fell out with it. I didn't like it at all. It was producing a grind which was very, very grabby. It was like playing Russian roulette while you turned. You know, it got to the point where it was virtually uncontrollable, the gouge. But I've since altered the grind slightly, and it's now at a stage where it's you know, it's easy to handle. Produces a lovely sharp edge. And of course there's no hollow grind. It is a straight grind, which has its advantages. It has its disadvantages as well, but it also has its advantages. It's a very well made machine. The backbone of it is basically 1/4 inch steel. The thing weighs round about 60 pounds, something like that. I may be wrong there, it might be 30 pounds. It's quite a heavy, I think it's a bit heavier than 30 pounds. Anyway, it's quite a hefty old gadget. And it sharpens very, very quickly. It seems to, well it does, it sharpens way quicker. Well, I should say it reprofiles way quicker than my bench grinder ever did. And for sharpening it's extremely quick. One pass on this and you move on to the next gouge. It really is very reliable. I've had it now for a year and it's never given me a hint of trouble. And that's about it really. That's as much as I can say. I don't have a great deal of room in my shack. So basically, when I get this out, it has to go on the pillar drill, on my pillar drill platform, and that's where I sharpen from. A bit unusual, but hey, it works. And if it works, well, why not use it? I used to have it on the on my lathe bed, but I found then I was getting all sanding and metal dust all over my wood, which wasn't good. So I moved it back over here, and this seems to work here. Right guys, I'll end this here. I just wanted to show you that. If any of you are thinking about getting one, I can highly recommend them. But it's very dependent on the angle of the bevel and whatnot. At first you might think, holy crap, what's going off here, you know, until you get your, you know, the grind that you like sorted out. It may take a bit of experimentation, but once you've got it, it's very, very repeatable. In fact, of all the machines on the market, I think it's probably the best machine for repeatability. Once you've got everything set up, you know that grind's going to be exactly the same every time you come to it. This platform here, it's brilliant. You can alter it. There's it goes, I mean, factory set ones is 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25, 30, 35, 45, 60, 80 and 90 degrees. Those are the factory preset holes for it, but you can also set it anywhere in between those as well. So it's very, very repeatable. It's a great little system once you've got your grind set up that you want. Right, just thought I'd show you that. Show you what I'm using to sharpen with. I'm going to turn the camera off now and get on with reprofiling a couple of gouges. I've had a couple of ideas I'd like to try, so I'm going to reprofile a couple of gouges and give them a try, see what it's like. Right guys, I'll get off. Oh, there's one thing I'd like to mention. If you are going to use it, again, make sure you are using a good respirator, and always protect your eyes, guys. Use a face shield or some sort of eye protection, and a good respirator, because it does give off quite a lot of dust. Right guys, I'll catch you later. Take care of those fingers, those eyes, and of course those lungs, because life gets difficult without them. Catch you later guys, take care.